After eliminating all the garment's fitting issues as shown in the video, we can begin drafting the collar. From the neckline corner, measure the desired collar width to the right and mark the point. I'm making the collar 7 2 3 4 inch wide. Next, along the break line, measure 2 3 3 4 1 1 4 in down from the neckline. From that point, draw a 10 cm 4 in line perpendicular to the break line. Mark the midpoint of this line. From each end of the line, mark 1 cm 3/8 in, 1 point above the line and 1 point below it. Then blend each of these points smoothly into the midpoint, tapering them to 0. Now, from the neckline corner, measure upward along the break line by the collar stand height. From that point, draw a 7 cm 2 3 4 inch line perpendicular to the break line, which will be the collar width